How to fix Discord not opening on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your Settings app. The very first thing you want to check is whether you have stable internet connection or not. Open the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Click on the Forget This Network option and again rejoin it. Likewise, if you are using cellular data, open the option Mobile Service. Open the option Mobile Data Options. Toggle off for the option Low Data Mode and make sure you are connected to 4G or 5G. Once you check this, you can switch the network. If you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. After you do this, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option of General, go to the option iPhone Storage, scroll down and find the app Discord. Once you find it, open it. Over here, you will find the option of Upload app, click on it, click on Upload app. After you upload the app, this will clear all the cache of the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can open it and check whether it is working or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your App Store. Now search for the app Discord. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Discord app to its latest version. Likewise, what you can do is open your settings, scroll down, open the option General, head towards the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your software to its latest version. Once you apply all these process, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix Discord not opening on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.